So alive with the sun on me skin, watching the waves thrive. Palm trees swaying in the gentle breeze. In this paradise, yeah, we find our peace. Yeah, man, pull up once in the morning, sun peeking through. Grab me flip-flops and a cold drink too. Headed to the shore where the sea meets the sand. With me guitar in hand, life is oh so grand. Ay, ay, ay. I met a girl named Luca with a smile so bright. She said join me for a swim, it feels just right. We dove in the water, splashing all around. In this moment, we both felt profound. Yeah, island dreaming, feeling so alive. With the sun on me skin, watching the waves thrive. Palm trees swaying in the gentle breeze. In this paradise, yeah, we find our peace. Drama later that evening under the starlit skies. Static dance to the music, just her and I. With the sound of the ocean and the fire's glow, we shared our dreams, let the good vibes flow. Lilka spoke of travel, adventures to seek. Vitas wanna see the world from mountain to peak. Vitas told her of my journeys across the wide sea. In this moment, we felt so free. Oh, life's a melody, we're writing the song. With every little heartbeat, we're where we belong. In the rhythm of love, we'll follow our fate. Together we'll wander, it's never too late. And yeah, island dreaming, feeling so alive. With the sun on me skin, watching the waves thrive. Palm trees swaying in the gentle breeze. In this paradise, yeah, we find our peace. The chains are break, the lion roar. Babylon can't hold we no more. The truth rise up, the herbs still grow. Forever Rasta Jah vibes we show. The chains are break, the lion roar. Babylon can't hold we no more. The truth rise up, the herbs still grow. Forever Rasta Jah vibes we show. Classy Pidarasi, oh yo yo. One Beatles, one heart, we're all the same. In Jah's eyes, no borders, no blame. Stand tall, hold tight, we'll rise above. With roots of Svetka and seeds of stars. Yaman Babylon calling, trying to make us fall. But we stand like mountains, proud and tall. In every heartbeat, I feel the fire. A spirit of freedom, pure desire. They may try to divide, to break us down, but love is a kingdom where we wear the crown. No man's a stranger, no one's alone. Together together in unity. This world's our home. One vetoes, one heart, we're all the same. In Jah's eyes, no borders, no blame. Stand tall, hold tight, we'll rise above, with roots of sweatka and seeds of stars. In the eyes of a child, I see the light, a hope so pure, so warm, so bright. They dream of a world without fear or hate, where freedom rings and love is faith. Vitos, lift up your voice, let's make a sound, a melody of peace that shakes the ground. From the hills of Zion to the city streets, in the reggae rhythm, our hearts meet. And when the day breaks with golden rays, we give thanks and love, come what may. Through stormy skies and darkest night, just love and guidance keep us right. One vetoes, one heart, we're all the same. In Jah's eyes, no borders, no blame. Stand tall, hold tight, we'll rise above, with roots of sweatka and seeds of valaka. So plant the seeds and let them grow in every soul. Let love flow. One world, one heart. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, man, one day me wake up, sunlight in me face. Reach for the paper roll, it's smooth, no ease. Me spliff so thick, it's like me hooey. Light it up slow, take a puff, don't be shy. Ganja firm ripe, the buds them so sweet. From the hills the flavor can't be beat. Aye, 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 me roll it up, spliff so tall, bigger than my who watch it stand tall. Smoke weed every day, life's a breeze, laughing with my fam, doing as we please. Yeah, man, me brethren step in, is feeling so nice. Spliff in hand, burning smooth like ice. The smoke so thick, it fills up the air. We puff it slow, no worries, no care. Ganja boss roll through with a grin. Me love the vibes, y'all blowing again. Ay, 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 me roll it up, spliff so tall, bigger than my cool, watch it stand tall. Smoke weed every day, life's a breeze, laughing with my fam, doing as we please. We puff, puff, pass the rhythm, don't stop. My feet off the ground, man, I'm floating to the top. My girl start giggling, she says, who's that? That spliff so fat, I can't even chat. I tell her, don't worry, me got plenty more. This herb's like treasure, it's what we adore. Ay, 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 me roll it up, spliff so tall, bigger than my cool, watch it stand tall. Smoke weed every day, life's a breeze, laughing with my fam, doing as we please. From the finest weed, we take the best hit, green so fresh, we can't quit. Spliff so big, we pass it around. In the ganja land, peace is found. Aye, 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 me roll it up, spliff so tall, bigger than my cool, watch it stand tall. Smoke weed
please. So if you see me with a spliff in me hand, know I'm chilling in the ganja land. Come join the crew, let the good vibes flow. Together we rise, let the good times grow.
Yes. Dan pollution, I'm a too knowledge in them prayers. Ball crops, they are the scenes. Zion echoes. And sunshine come provide. Them try to silence the truth, but the fire still a burn. Them fight the righteous, but the tables have been turned. Me see the system full of tricks and lies, but me spirit too strong, me arise. Them want to chain me mind, but me break that spell. Them build the prison, but me escape that. Tell me Chancellor, see I me keep me faith. Jah light shine, me can't lose me way. Me see them send war upon the innocent. Them sell gun fast, but no food for the resident. The leaders a laugh, the ghetto youth cry. But Rasta know Babylon soon dry. Fire still a burn, no matter what them try. Truth still a shine, can't cover up the sky. Jah Jah guide, we will never comply. So we chant out loud, we hold we head high. Me see them push drugs fi destroy the youth. Me see them hide the past, them twist the truth. Me see them sell the land fi gold and oil. Me see them make we work, but we never spoil. But me tell the ghetto youth stand firm. Now bout fi no system, no bridge fi burn. The revolution there, the time is now. The wicked a tremble, them sweat pan brow. Me see the judgment, me see the sign. Me see the trumpet, me see the line. The righteous trod, we know the code. No matter the struggle, we walk the road. Make the fire blaze, make the wicked man run. The truth too strong, them can't take none. The mountains shake, the rivers flow. Jah words there, so me can't move slow. Me see the elders tell we the way. We never lose faith, we kneel and pray. Me see the youth, them start fi wake. We a break the chains, we nah go fake. The mission set, the warriors trod. We rise up firm, we heal up Jah. We see the darkness, but we bring light. The fight not done, but we know we right. Fire still a burn, no matter what them try. Truth still a shine, can't cover up the sky. Jah Jah guide, we will never comply. So we chant out loud, we hold we head high. The wicked a fall, the righteous grow. The fire still blaze, the river still flow. Jah kingdom come, the trumpet blow. The truth stand tall, the world fi know.
Zion echoes. Aye, aye, aye. Yeah, man, boys, let's go. Watch Rasta. Me say, light it up, me free like the breeze. Me chant for the herb, me find the peace. From the mountains to the seas, Jah Herb a the key for the heart at ease. Ganja Glory, the roots of the earth. Me say the herbs bring me back to birth. Runs the gelato, the vibe so pure. We chant for the herb, healing is sure. Me like the spliff, the smoke rise high. Me see the world clear and me touch the sky. Puff the lemon haze, me feel the flow. Full of Jah love, me let it show. The Cali weed make me mind unwind. Me feel the peace, me leave the stress behind. From the indica to the sativa light. Rise in the morning, me feel the flight. High like a bird, me free like the air. Jah Herb a the power, nah go nowhere. Ganja Glory, the roots of the earth. Me say the herbs bring me back to birth. Runs the gelato, the vibe so pure. The chant for the herb, healing is sure. From the deep kush to the tropical breeze, smoke the finest, me feel the ease. Me roll the blunt, me take the ride. Herb inna me soul, me no try to hide. Puff the blueberry, me rise and shine. Me so bright, me mind divine. Ganja inna me heart, me never fall. Feel Jah presence inna every call. So like the fire, me say, blaze the night. Free inna Jah herb, me feel so right. Chant for the glory, me no out of sight. Ganja are the truth, the heart take flight. Yeah. Zion echoes. The youth them tired, the system's lie. We chant the truth, we make them cry. The fire burn, the wicked run. The battle starts, but we not done. Me see the struggle, me feel the pain. But Jah blessings fall like rain. The revolution start today. We take the fight, we find the way. Revolution time, no turn around. We chant the song, we shake the ground. One love strong, we hold it tight. We make the world see the light. Revolution time, the people rise. The wicked fall, the truth survive. We push ahead, we hold the line. The victory sure, the future shine. No more suffering, no more pain. We break the chains, we change the game. The elders guide, the youth man stand. We take the lead, we change the land. The Babylon, them can't divide. We're strong in heart, we're full of pride. We walk the path, we do it right. The revolution full of light. Revolution time, no turn around. We chant the song, we shake the ground. One love strong, we hold it tight. We make the world see the light. Revolution time, the people rise. The wicked fall, the truth survive. We push ahead, we hold the line. The victory sure, the future shine. Me trod the road, me never stray. Me see the signs, me kneel and pray. The journey long, the battle hard, but Jah blessings take me far. Me chant the psalms, me chant it high. The revolution touch the sky. The wicked run, them hide them face. We stand up firm, we set the pace. Revolution time, no turn around. We chant the song, we shake the ground. One love strong, we hold it tight. We make the world see the light. Revolution time, the people rise. The wicked fall, the truth survive. We push ahead, we hold the line. The victory sure, the future shine. We march ahead, we never stop. The fire blaze, the system drop. We take the lead, we make it known. The people rise, the love is shown. Me see the future bright and strong. The revolution lasts so long. We fight for truth, we fight for love. Jah bless with from above. Me trod up on the righteous road. Me carry the fire, me lift the load. The sun still shine, the river flow. Me chant your name, me soul aglow. Me walk it slow, me walk it deep. The lessons learned, me soul can weep. The elders teach, the youth them rise. We break the chains, we open eyes. Me see the system try fi bind, but me nah go give them my mind. We hold the love, we spread it wide. The power strong, me feel inside. Righteous road, me trod it still. The fire blaze, the love fulfill. No wicked heart can hold me back. Me move ahead, me stay on track. Them try to take we culture away. Them change the truth, them lead astray. But me hold strong, me know me pass. The wisdom shine, it's everlast. Me see the youths, them need a guide. We show the path, we stand with pride. The music play, the drum them talk. The righteous way, me still a walk. Oh, me chant it loud, me chant it clear. The voice of Jah, it's always near. We hold the light, we hold the flame. The righteous trod, the world can't tame. Me cross the mountain, me reach the sea. Me feel the spirit guiding me. The roots them strong, the tree can't fall. The love of Jah stand over all. No vanity, no wicked game. We burn the fire, we call Jah name. The time is now, we rise above. We chant for peace, we chant for love. Oh, me trod upon the righteous road. Me carry the fire, me lift the load. The sun still shine, the river flow. Me chant your name, me soul aglow. Me trod upon the righteous road. Me carry the fire, me lift the load. The sun still shine, the river flow. Me chant your name, me soul aglow.
Zion echo, ay ay ay. From the roots of the earth, we start the journey. We find the truth, we rise from the early. The herb in me hand, it make me steady. Rasta man rise, me walk the path ready. We light the fire, the smoke rise high. Me chant for the ancestors, feed the most high. The ganja in me veins, it make me fly. Me nah look back, me only look to the sky. Babylon I tried to keep me down, but the herb give me strength, me now wear the frown. Me burn the blue dream, make the vibes all round. Me a Rasta, me roots unbound. Me not follow the system, me not follow the crowd. Me choose Jah way, me stand me ground proud. The ganja make me see through the fake and the loud. The truth in the ear, the smoke cloud. Roots of Jah make me rise from the ground. Herb in the ear, the truth to be found. Me chant for the fire, the blessings profound. Roots of Jah, for Jah we resound. Me like the chalice, the smoke fill the room. Me rise from the valley, me rise from the gloom. Me feel the power, me feel the boom. The ganja make me wise, me feel the bloom. Me sip the tea, me sip the herb. Me nah get lost in the Babylon blur. Me meditate deep, me mind a stir. Me chant for the most high, me soul conquer. The fire keep burning, the roots keep growing. Herb make me steady, me keep it
flowing. Me see the truth, the knowledge keeps showing. Me not stop for Babylon, me not stop going. Me rise like the sun, me rise like the dawn. Me chant for Jah Jah for the strength me drawn. The ganja make me strong, the soul reborn. Me stay rooted, me not get torn. The herb make me wise, the herb make me free. The chalice rise high, the spirit agree. Me chant the rhythm, me chant the key. The roots of Jah, the truth we decree. Roots of Jah make me rise from the ground. Herb in the ear, the truth to be found. Me chant for the fire, the blessings profound. Roots of Jah, for Jah we resound. Me walk the path, me walk it firm. For the truth, me search for the light, me yearn. The ganja give me peace, the ganja give me term. Me stay rooted, me stay confirmed. The fire blaze strong, the herb light the way. Me nah follow Babylon, me nah go astray. Me chant the truth, me chant the day. Me stay grounded, me roots will stay. From the hills of Zion to the valley low. Zion echoes. Ay, 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 great gasoline and the Bassia's paper. Yeah, man. Warrior's heart, me fight for the light. Through the struggle, me never lose sight. Me rise with the sun, me stand up, be right. Jah guide me steps, me heart pure and bright. Me born in a the battle, me born for the war. Me rise from the struggle, me never feel far. Me heart full of fire, me soul full of scar. Me walk through the darkness, me shine like the star. Me no run from the fight, me stand up tall. Me face the pressure, me rise after the fall. Jah bless me steps, me answer the call. Me spirit unshaken, me hear the roar. Me roll the ganja, me mind in a trance. Me rise in the vibes, me start the dance. Me see the world, me get the chance to show me strength, to take the stance. Warrior's heart, me fight for the light. Through the struggle, me never lose sight. Me rise with the sun, me stand up, be right. Jah guide me steps, me heart pure and bright. Me see the pain of the people all around. Me hear the cries, me feel the sound. But me stand firm, me feet on the ground. Me no back down, me rise, me bound. Me light the flame, me carry the torch. Me fight for the truth, me never approach the fake, the lies, me set me on porch. Herb in me hand, me like the scotch. Warrior's heart, me fight for the light. Through the struggle, me never lose sight. Me rise with the sun, me stand up, be right. Jah guide me steps, me heart pure and bright. Warrior's heart, me fight for the light. Through the struggle, me never lose sight. Me rise with the sun, me stand up, be right. Jah guide me steps, me heart pure and bright. Bright, bright, bright. Warrior's heart, me fight for the light. Through the struggle, me never lose sight. Me rise with the sun, me stand up, be right. Jah guide me steps, me heart pure and bright. Zion, oh, Zion, oh, that Canada, oh, feel the herb in the air.
a go anywhere. John, yes, the danger is the heel and the swell at the top, left stray, left stray. Them a try to silence we, but we still a talk. The ghetto youth rise, we ready fi walk. Babylon plan, but we break them chain. Jah rule, we break the pain. No matter the struggle, no matter the fight, we stand up firm in Jah light. Them spread them lies, but we see it clear. The truth a shine, Jah always near. Feel the herb inna the arrowhead, so cries I, we a bow anywhere. Jah best the damn giants, the heel of the share. Light it up, let's share, let's share. Them poison the youth with wicked mind. Try fi make them deaf, try fi make them blind. But the truth too strong, the fire blaze. The righteous rise in these days. Me trot through valley, me climb the hill. Jah words a guide me, me hold me still. No more chains pan me soul. Freedom shine, the story told. Rise up, warrior stand. Jah give the power fi move the land. No retreat, no surrender. The victory sweet, we remember. Them can't stop the righteous plan. Jah work strong in every man. The system shake, the time soon done. We chant the psalm till the morning come. Feel the herb in my hair, oh yeah. So cries I, we a go anywhere. Jah bless the danger, this the heel, I me swear. Light it up, let's share, let's share. Zion Zion Vicamadi goes. Ghetto youth rise, take back the street. Babylon tremble under we feet. The struggle real, but the love much higher. Jah at the source, Jah the fire. Me see the vision, me hear the call. The system crumble, the wicked fall. We nah bow down, we nah take bribe. Jah people strong in every tribe. One love, one light, we shine so bright. The darkness fade, we win this fight. Drums are beat, the sound a roar. The gates of Zion open door. Me lift me hands, me praise the King. The birds them fly, the choir.
Zion echoes jam on. Ash oil so good. Ha ha ha. Let's go. Weed in the night, me feel so right. Me light this spliff, me burn it bright. Inna the night, the herb so sweet. Me rise with the smoke, me find me seat. The night so still, the stars them shine. Me light me spliff, me take the time. Me feel the peace, me feel the calm. Me light the herb, me find the balm. The struggle real, but me nah go back. Me rise above the pressure, me stay on track. Me burn the ganja, me clear me mind. Inna the night, me leave the stress behind. Me watch the moon, me watch the glow. Me burn the weed, me take it slow. Me feel the vibes, me feel the strength. Me rise with the herb, me go the length. Me find me peace, me find me place. Me take the smoke, me take the grace. The night so quiet, me hear the sound. Me burn the herb, me feel unbound. Weed in the night, me feel so right. Me light this spliff, me burn it bright. Inna the night, the herb so sweet. Me rise with the smoke, me find me seat. Me no rush, me take me time. Me light the spliff, me let the rhythm chime. Me burn the weed, me clear the ear. Me leave the pressure, me have no care. Me face the struggle, me face the fight, but me find the peace
Inna the night, me light the herb, me rise to the stars, me walk with Jah, me free from the scars. The smoke so sweet, the feeling so pure. Me rise in the night, me feel the cure. Me take the hit, me take the flight, me feel the love, me feel the light. Weed in the night, me feel so right. Me light this spliff, me burn it bright. Inna the night, the herb so sweet. Me rise with the smoke, me find me seat. Me light the herb, me set the tone. Me rise to the sky, me never alone. Inna the night, me find me way. Me light this spliff, me rise every day.
Zion echoes, ay ay ay. Black mountain side in a the paper, yeah man. Deep in a the earth, the roots of wisdom grow. Jah guide me steps, the truth me know. The elders teach, the ganja glow. Roots of wisdom rise, the vibes it flow. Roots of wisdom, me stand for the cause. Me chant your name, me no follow the laws. Herb inna me hand, me fight for the cause. Roots of wisdom, me follow just path. Wisdom flow like the rivers inna the hills. Me sip from Jah fountain, me feel Jah wheels. The herb light up, Jah power instills. Me meditate deep, Jah love fulfill. The elders them tell me fi walk the straight road. Carry Jah truth, me no carry no load. The herb inna me soul, the vibes overload. The wisdom of Jah, me mind explode. Them can't chain me spirit, Jah make me free. The roots of the earth connect me to the tree. The ganja leaf whisper Jah prophecy. Behold the light, Jah power me see. Roots of wisdom, me stand for the cause. Me chant your name, me no follow the laws. Herb inna me hand, me fight for the cause. Roots of wisdom, me follow just path. Me hear the drum beat, it call me soul. The rhythm of Jah, it make me whole. The herb like the fire, it play the role. Me walk on the journey, me reach Jah goal. Them system I try, fi blind the youth, but the roots of Jah hold the truth. The ganja plant guide the righteous root. Me rise with the wisdom, me chant the flute. Me ancestors whisper through the breeze. Them tell me fi stand strong, no make the struggle cease. The herb bring peace, the mind at peace. Me chant your name, Jah power increase. Oh Jah plant the roots inna me heart. Guide me soul, make the fire start. With the herb, me wisdom can depart. Jah light the way, me take me part. Roots of wisdom, me stand for the cause. Me chant your name, me no follow the laws. Herb inna me hand, me fight for the cause. Roots of wisdom, me follow just path. The herb make me wise, the herb make me see. The system can blind, Jah prophecy. Me rise pon the mountain, Jah vision me pre. The roots of the earth connect me to the tree. Me children them grow in Jah love and light. Them walking at the day, them no fear the night. The herb guide them path, the vibe so right. The roots of wisdom, the future bright. The elders rejoice, the circle complete. The herb inna the chalice make the vibes sweet. Me chant for Jah glory, me heart no retreat. The wisdom of Jah.
Zion echoes, calling gold inna the bubats. Yeah man. Jah herb, Jah love lift me soul so high.
Ganja fire blazing, reach up to the sky. Chant the psalm, the truth can't lie. With the rhythm of Jah, me not deny. Roll the manly strain, make the fire ignite. Inna the darkness, Jah bring the light. The herb a power, the wicked can't fight. Jah wisdom pure, it shining bright. Me sing for the sufferer, the broken chain. Reggae melodies soothe the pain. From trench town struggles to Zion gain. The herb a make we spirits sustain. Pass the chalice, chant the holy word. The message of peace, let it be heard. Inna the ghetto where the youth them stirred. The ganja fire make the open furred. Jah herb, Jah love lift me soul so high. Ganja fire blazing, reach up to the sky. Chant the psalm, the truth can't lie. With the rhythm of Jah, me not deny. Me see the tears in a mama's eye. The system cruel, them can't deny. The ganja garden and me reply. Selassie I guide me, just spirit high. Light up the sour diesel, the essence pure. Healing the nations, Jah herb secure. The Babylon system can't obscure. With Jah in a me heart, me spirit sure. From the hilltop, the fire burn bright. The herb a make me vision insight. The rhythm a chant, me soul take flight. Selassie I bless me through the night. The herb a the healing, the love can't end. Jah Jah guide, we make the spirit mend. With the reggae rhythm, the vibes transcend. One love, one herb, make the fire ascend. Jah herb, Jah love lift me soul so high. Ganja fire blazing, reach up to the sky. Chant the psalm, the truth can't lie. With the rhythm of Jah, me not deny. Zion rise up, no more chains. Jah fire burn the wicked flames. The people strong, the time is near. The trumpet sound, we have no fear. Babylon tremble, them can last. The righteous trod and move so fast. Me hear the cry from near and far. Zion shine just like a star. Me chant me song, me praise me king. Jah people rise, the victory sing. The ghetto youths them see the way. The light a shine, no dark today. Me stand firm, me hold the faith. No wicked heart can penetrate. Zion rise up, the battle won. The righteous march under the sun. No more sorrow, no more pain. Jah love a fall just like the rain. Me see the signs, me hear the call. The walls are crumble, Babylon fall. The elders chant, the children sing. Jah kingdom here, Jah is the king. The river flow, the garden bloom. No more darkness, no more gloom. Me walk with faith, me trod so high. The wicked flee, them can't deny. Jah light a shine from up above. We walk in unity and love. So chant the psalms and make it loud. The right righteous rise above the cloud. The fire burn, the truth reveal. Jah children strong, we never kneel. Me look ahead, me see the way. The future bright, no more delay. The morning come, the night is gone. We chant for Jah, we sing with song. Me see the love in every face. The world unite in Jah embrace. No more war, no wicked fight. Jah light that shine so pure, so bright. Me lift me hands, me praise Jah name. Zion rise, we break the chain. Me stand up strong, me never bow. Jah rule the earth, the time is now. The drums are beat, the voices call. Babylon walls about to fall. Zion rise up, the battle won. The righteous march under the sun. No more sorrow, no more pain. Jah love a fall just like the rain. So me chant and me rejoice. Jah bless the earth, Jah bless the vice. The battle done, the future bright. Zion rising, Jah delight. The river pure, the mountain high. We chant for Jah, we never die. Jah kingdom strong, forever true. Zion rise, me tell you too.
Zion echoes. Ay, ay, ay. Rasta man, so high. Yeah, man. Jah blessing, me feel it all the air. Every step me take, me know Jah there. The sun a shine, the stars are bright. We walking on the path of Jah's light. Jah blessing, me chant it loud. We rise above the pain, we rise above the cloud. Jah blessing, me chant it loud. We rise above the pain, we rise above the cloud. Me born on the earth, me born for the fight. But Jah give me peace, me know it's right. The world a turn, the people a fight. Me know the truth, me hold it tight. Me see the struggle, me see the tears. But me know Jah a wipe the fears. Me chant for the people, me chant for the land. Me trust in a Jah, me trust in the plan. Them try fi break we, them try fi chain. But Jah power, I flow like the rain. Jah blessing, me feel it all the air. Every step me take, me know Jah there. The sun a shine, the stars are bright. Me walking on the path of Jah's light. Jah blessing, me chant it loud. We rise above the pain, we rise above the cloud. Jah blessing, me chant it loud. We rise above the pain, we rise above the cloud. Me face the storm, me face the rain. But Jah love keep me free from the pain. Me chant for the youth, me chant for the truth. Me tell them fi rise, me tell them fi move. The world may be heavy, the road may be long, but we Jah inna me heart, me always strong. Me trust na the mercy, me trust inna the grace. Jah guide me steps, me keep the pace. Me see the light in the darkest night. Jah bless me soul, me feel the might. Jah blessing, me feel it all the air. Every step me take, me know Jah there. The sun a shine, the stars are bright. We walking on the path of Jah's light. Jah blessing, me chant it loud. We rise above the pain, we rise above the cloud. Jah blessing, me chant it loud. We rise above the pain, we rise above the cloud. Jah blessing, we feel it all the air. Every step me take, we know Jah there. The sun a shine.
night, the stars are bright. Me walking on the
Zion echoes, Zion. Rasta roll display. In the heart of the island where the breeze are blow free, roots and culture run deep, it's all my family. Me step on the soil where the ancestors cry. Remember the ones who died for with liberty. Me see the youth, them lost in a confusion, but me tell them there's power in the fusion of the old and the new. We bring the strength to fight the battle, to go the length. Roots in culture, that's the essence of we soul. It's the fire, it's the rhythm, it's the music we control. Roots in culture, we rise like the sun, together as one, no matter where we come from. Me not forget the elders who paved the way. Them teach me the truth, me carry it every day. The struggle is real, but me never back down. I wear my crown with pride, me stand me ground. From the east to the west, the message is clear. Unity is strength, we have no fear. Culture at the weapon, my heart full of sound. We spread the message all around the town. Roots in culture, that's the essence of we soul. It's the fire, it's the rhythm, it's the music we control. Roots in culture, we rise like the sun, together as one, no matter where we come from. Me chant the truth, me chant the love, from the earth below to the stars above. Every step me take, me feel the vibrations. Roots and culture, no imitation. Jah guide we through in every single way. Me trust the rhythm, me trust this way. Roots and culture, we rise up, we stand tall. Me see the future bright, for one and all. With Jah in the heart, we can't go wrong. We sing the song of the eternal dawn.
Me walk through the valley with a spliff in a me hand. Everywhere me go, me say the fire can done. From Trench Town straight to the Holy Land. The ganja make me wise, it reveal Jah plan. The herb when me burn, it's the key to the art. From the root to the leaf, Jah creation a art. Them want criminalize it, but me stand for the truth. Me say free up the ganja for the elder and youth. Smoke it up, I let the vibes get strong. Rhythm in my soul make me chant this song. Ganja man a soldier, we a fight too long. Jah bless the herb, me say we can't go wrong. Blaze it up, high grade in a me brain. The smoke arise, wash away me pain. Babylon can't hold me, me spirit sustain. Ganja man a chant pan Jah Jah plain. Me no need no liquor, me no need no rum. Just pass me the chalice, make the wisdom come. Selassie I guide me, a chant for the drum. The power of the ganja make the wicked man run. Them legalize the herb, but me question them scheme. Them a profit of Jah work, but them heart still mean. Me say true legalization of the free up we dream. No more oppression, make the ganja leaf gleam. For the healing of the nation, burn the herb all day. Positive meditation, make the wicked man stray. Jah Jah bless the herb, it a guide we way. In a every little corner, ganja light the way.
Blaze it up high, make the smoke touch the sky. Meditation deep, me a see with Jah eye. The struggle for the herb, me no ask Jah why. I fi fight for the truth till the day me die. Them want regulate it, but them can't control the power of the herb, it a free we soul. The story of the ganja for the young and old. Me say light up the chalice, let the blessing unfold. Blaze it up, high grade in a me brain. The smoke arise, wash away me pain. Babylon can't hold me, me spirit sustain. Ganja man a chant pan Jah plain. So heal up the farmer where you grow it so pure. With the love in the soil, Jah blessing secure. Every puff when me take, me spirit reassure. Blaze up the fire, make the vibes endure.
Cause it's back, my brothers and sisters. Yeah, man, let the session begin. Let's go. Me born in a the struggle, me grow in a the fight. Me roots deep like the tree, me know what's right. Me stand up for justice, me stand for the poor. Me chant for the people, me open the door. Me rise up from the ashes, me rise from the dust. Me fight for the righteous, me fight out of trust. Me roots strong in a Zion's land. Me no afraid fi take this stand. Roots of the warrior, me strong and bold. The strength of me ancestors, me hold. Me stand for the people, me stand for the land. Roots of the warrior, me take the command. Roots of the warrior, me roots run deep. Me fight for the love, me fight for the peace in a Zion. Me roots full of fire, me warrior spirit, me never tire. Spirit of the old ones, the warriors who fought till the battle was won. Me know me mission, me know me fate. The roots of the warrior can't be late. Me fight for the future, me fight for the past. The strength of the warrior, it will always last. In a the struggle, me stand tall. Me fight for the people, me fight for the call. Roots of the warrior, me strong and bold. The strength of me ancestors, me hold. Me stand for the people, me stand for the land. Roots of the warrior, me take the command. Roots of the warrior, me roots run deep. Me fight for the love, me fight for the peace in a Zion. Me roots full of fire, me warrior spirit, me never tire. Me rise like the sun, me shine like the star. Me carry the banner, me travel so far. Roots of the warrior, me heart full of might. Me fight for the truth, me fight for the light. Me roots in the soil, me roots in the sky. Me know me purpose, me know the why. Through the storm, me never sway. Roots of the warrior, me lead the way.
Yeah, man. It's Corvo time. Yo. This a one for the herbalist crew. Babylon fight with herb, but Jah plan are true. Me say the roots of Zion, them deep like a tree. Blaze up the ganja, feel Jah energy. Roots of Zion, the ganja a grow from the mountain heights to the valley below. Roll it up, light it up, make the fire glow. Jah Herb are the healer, the wicked man know. The first puff make my soul reconnect to the natural vibes. Jah love me protect. With me in the garden, me heart reflect. The ganja are the guide where the wicked reject. Me see the farmers, them are working at the sun, planting the seed until the harvest come. Sativa for the morning, indica for the fun. The vibes are unite, the people as one. Babylon can stop the herbal power. Jah light a shine in a every hour. The ganja make the lion in a Babylon cover. Blaze up the herb, me say the wicked devour. Roots of Zion, the ganja a grow from the mountain heights to the valley below. Roll it up, light it up, make the fire glow. Jah Herb are the healer, the wicked man know. Them legalize it, but them tax it high. Still the poor man struggle, still the farmer cry. Me say Jah Herb for the people, not for them supply. Ganja is the truth where the system can't buy. Me say me blaze it on the corner, me blaze it with me crew. Every puff of freedom, the vibes I feel true. The purple push make me meditation renew. Me chant for the ganja, the love make me break through. So roll it, light it, feel the breeze. Me give thanks for the herb, Jah bring the peace. From Zion me chant, me sing with ease. The ganja are the key, Jah bless the trees. Roots of Zion, the ganja a grow from the mountain heights to the valley below. Roll it up, light it up, make the fire glow. Jah Herb are the healer, the wicked man know. The first puff make my soul reconnect to the natural vibes. Jah love me protect. With me in the garden, me heart reflect. The ganja are the guide where the wicked reject.
Back to the roots, chalice in a me hand. Burn the herb in a Zion land. From the high mountain top, the side Jah plan. Fi uplift the youth, make them overstand. This your vibes make me heart feel free. Inna the kush cloud, me find clarity. The rhythm in my soul, it's a Rasta plea. Fi chant the words of peace eternally. Roots and chalice burn the fire so strong. Lift up Jah name with the ganja song. Herb man carry light when the nights are long. Back to the roots where we all belong. Roll up the star that burn it pure and clean. Ganja make me mind sharp, keep me heart serene. Me chanting at the firelight under moonbeam. Selassie guide the Rasta through the eye man dream. Blueberry cushion at the chalice blaze. With the herbal remedy me spend me days. Uplift the spirit, me soul feel amazed. With the sound of the drum, we give Jah praise. Roots and chalice burn the fire so strong. Lift up Jah name with the ganja song. Herb man carry light when the nights are long. Back to the roots where we all belong. One Jah feed the peace, make the hunger cease.
meat in the belly of the beast. Herb vibes strong, the healing increase. We pray Jah love will never release. Roots and chalice keep the fire alive. In the high grade herb, Rasta thrive. The rhythm of the earth make we unify. Selassie guide me steps as the days